Our queen Ariana back with another banger. What's up, guys? So I'm back in again with another slime review, famous slime shop video. I know I've been slacking on YouTube recently. The last video I uploaded 3 weeks ago was actually pre-filmed almost 2 months ago. I've just been really out of it. I've just been out here dealing with a lot of stuff lately. We're not gonna get into that, but you know, we love personal problems. We love battling inner demons and stuff. But we're back. I battled them and we're gonna review some slime. So welcome back to Hannah's Ratchet Slime Factory World. Today, I'll be reviewing $500 worth of slime. I'm really out here spending my money wisely. So I have this big box of slime that I've been accumulating since like the first week of July. I finally ordered from Glitter Slimes. We finally got some slime, Obsidian slimes. I also got 2 slimes from Luncheon Box. I also finally got the famous slime kit from Mona Lisa Slimes. That's the only slime that I got from her. This is an extra. And of course, I had to pick up some slime from Dope Slime Shop. They're literally like one of my favorite slime shops ever. Lastly, of course, I had to do it again. OG Slimes. This is a lot of slime. First slime shop I'm going to review is Glitter Slime. Got lychee martini. I think this was supposed to be a layered slime, but I had this for like a month, so. Okay. It smells like lychee with a hint of like Bath and Body Works. Next, we have Pineapple Laffy Taffy. It smells like pineapples. Oh, it smells so good. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to activate most of these slimes since I've had these for a while and it's summertime. Next, we have Watermelon Froze. This is supposed to be like another layered slime thingy. Kind of smells like watermelon, but also kind of smells like a watermelon scent from Bath and Body Works, which is not necessarily bad. We have Cookie Milk. Oh girl, she's melted. Oh girl, she smells like cookie milk. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This makes me want to eat raw cookie dough. Next, we have Smarties Fizz. I'm really excited about this because it's like, how is it supposed to be scented like Smarties, you know? Oh, she's so melted. Bruh. Stop. How? Oh my gosh, it smells like sour candy. It smells like Smarties. What? And then lastly, we have Carnival buttercream. Ooh, she smells like buttercream frosting, like vanilla buttercream frosting. Oh my gosh, I almost like. Next, I will be reviewing slime Obsidian. So I got Gummy Bear Party. This is supposed to be an icy jelly slime, I think. I'm personally not a big fan of like jelly slimes or icy slimes just because I don't like the texture, like the residue that it leaves. Ooh, she's pretty. Oh my gosh. It smells like gummy bears. Like the Haribo, how do you pronounce it? But you know those gummy bears? That's what the top looks like. She's cute. Next, we have Oreo Fudge frosting. Also, by the way, these containers are really nice. Oh my gosh, this smells just like Oreos. This is my first like Oreo scented slime. It smells so good. And then lastly, we have Abracadabra Jelly. This is gorgeous. What's this smell? It smells like soap. I mean, it's not bad. It smells like fancy soap. Next, we have the infamous Mona Lisa slimes. Oh, by the way, I don't really remember the extras all these slime shops gave me. Most of them were just candy. Listen, this slime, after shipping and everything, she's kind of expensive. This was $30, which is kind of expensive, but hear me out, I do understand why it's expensive because she does have to like hand mold and cut each and every individual ramen topping and stuff. It's a given that it's gonna be expensive just because of like the labor that's put into this, but she was generous with the extras. She gave me an extra slime and she also gave me a big packet of clay. Gosh, it smells like ramen. It literally smells like the chicken seasoning, like the powder seasoning. Bro, how? Next. Next we have OG slimes. I picked up horchata squish and PB&J squish. I'm so excited for horchata. I love horchata. This smells literally like horchata, like the best horchata you've ever drank. This is what it smells like. And then here we have a PB&J Squid. Oh my gosh. Listen, OG Slime's scents are so spot on and it smells so good, like respect. You can literally smell the peanut butter and the jelly, like peanut butter and then hints of grape jelly. And then the next shop we have here is Luncheon Box. This isn't the first time I ordered from her. I ordered from her like a year ago. I bought the Cheeto Dust slime, her famous Cheeto Dust, and that one was great. I just didn't film it because I didn't want to. I ordered Peach Ring Dust and Sour Patch Dust. Okay, look at that cute little design. Oh my god, there's a fly. Oh god, give me a second, guys. Did I get it? Yeah, I got it. It smells like peaches. It smells like peach ring candy, okay? I swear I'm excited. I'm dead inside. Next we have Sour Patch Dust. I love Sour Patch Kids. I love sour candy. Oh my gosh. These sour scents are like blowing my mind. This reminds me a lot of the Smarties slime from Glitter Slimes. It smells like sour candy, like it smells like citric acid. So, Dope Slime Shops, hey, how you doing? I love your shop. No, they don't pay me to review their slimes or anything like that. I actually love their slimes and I buy from them all the time. I actually have a package on the way right now. They ordered a 5-ounce of Cocoa Puffs and they generously gave me a 32-ounce. This is my first 32-ounce of slime. I'm not gonna lie, I already played with this. I just can't resist, okay? It's 32 ounces of slime, but I haven't touched any of these other slimes. Also sent me Supernova and Texas Roadhouse rolls as an extra. I love y'all. Let's start off with Cocoa Puffs. I already smelled this. It smells great. It smells like Cocoa Puffs. in milk. It just smells so good. Next, we have a zero gravity blizzard. Listen, DQ, bring this blizzard back. I know it's just an Oreo blizzard, but it's good, okay? If you didn't have the chance to try the zero gravity blizzard, it looks just like this. It smells so good. I love how they added the hint of blueberry in it because it is essentially just a Oreo blizzard. And next we have a blueberry pancake batter. She's cute. She smells so good. She smells like blueberry pancakes. And then we have the funnel cake DIY. I love funnel cakes, you guys. It smells like funnel cakes. It smells like fried dough. It also reminds me of like donuts, like the plain fried donuts. Next, we have Texas Roadhouse rolls. Girl, let me tell you, Texas Roadhouse rolls are the best free bread in the game. It smells like bread, but also like the really yummy cinnamon butter that it comes with. And then lastly, we have Supernova, and I believe this is a cloud slime. Ooh, she's pretty. Look at that. This kind of smells like when you first walk into a Lush. It kind of smells like berries with a hint of like the Lush store. So that is my $500 famous slime shop review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below which slime was your favorite, and please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!